What can initiators learn from these experiences of working with people through task forces and committees? Who should pass the test and be considered for a position in the board of the future Community Foundation? Let's recall what is important for good governance as a sort of checklist. As mentioned, there can be a diversity of backgrounds in terms of skills contributed or position in the community, people with diverse perspectives who can find a common ground through dialogue. Another crucial element is for people who will be invited into the board to have a philanthropic motivation, to be there to give resources and support the foundation and the community. It is not recommended to have people who see their engagement with the board as a way of promoting themselves in the community. It is important to invite people who are genuine and generous. It is also useful to realize what are the strategic priorities of the foundation in the first 3 to 5 years of work. Then, considering these, create the profiles and skill sets that board members need so as to be able to offer support towards these objectives and priorities that are strategic to the foundation. For example, if the foundation wants to be a bridge builder in the community, it is important to bring on the board people who have the capacity to communicate and collaborate across a variety of groups. If they want to be a good grantmaker and supporter, it is important to bring on board people who understand community development. If they want to be a good fundraiser and philanthropic counselor, it is important to bring on board people with the capacity to understand and communicate with the potential donors, including researchers, entrepreneurs, and marketers. If they want to function well and be cohesive as an organization, it is important to bring on the board somebody who understands the importance of consensus building, mediation, collective decision-making, and organizational development. If they want to build permanent funds, it is important to bring on board somebody who understands investments. Of course, all of these areas will be important, but the initiative groups need to make sure the particular essential skill sets for the next period of time are well represented as perspectives within the board.